Welcome to today's deep dive into the realm of wearable technology, where we explore the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. As tech enthusiasts eagerly await its release, we're here to dissect every rumor and leak surrounding this next gen smartwatch from Garmin. Overview of Garmin's legacy. Garmin has long been synonymous with excellence in the rugged smartwatch market, renowned for durability, performance, and feature rich experiences tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. The Fenix series stands as a testament to their commitment to innovation. The evolution to Fenix 8. The Fenix 8 series promises to elevate the user experience with groundbreaking enhancements across various fronts. From a powerful new processor to extended battery life and advanced health tracking capabilities, let's delve into what makes the Fenix 8 Pro a game changer. Next gen processor. At the heart of the Fenix 8 is its rumored powerful new processor. This upgrade is poised to deliver lightning fast responsiveness, seamless app transitions, and an overall smoother user interface. Imagine effortlessly navigating through menus and accessing features with precision and speed. Extended battery life. Battery life remains a pivotal factor, especially for adventurers. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to offer significant improvements in this area, ensuring prolonged usage without the fear of a dying battery. This enhancement will empower users to explore the great outdoors with unmatched confidence. Enhanced GPS and navigation. Navigation is critical for outdoor enthusiasts, and the Fenix 8 series intends to redefine precision. Expect improved GPS accuracy, enhanced topographic maps, and potentially multi-band GNSS support. These advancements will ensure reliable navigation even in challenging terrains, providing users with unmatched confidence on their adventures. The Fenix 8 series is rumored to introduce a next-generation display with enhanced sunlight readability. This feature ensures that critical information remains visible at all times, regardless of lighting conditions. Conclusion. While awaiting official confirmation, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro promises to be more than just a smartwatch. It's a companion designed to elevate outdoor experiences to new heights. With its robust features, including a powerful processor, extended battery life, advanced health tracking, enhanced GPS, and a next-generation display, the Fenix 8 Pro is poised to set a new standard in outdoor smartwatches.